Ano pa rin?
Krokodilin.
Ako lang.
Boleh ka mag...
Smile.
Okay, sensory lang po yan. Hindi siya magkakaroon.
Balik-balik.
1, 2, 3.
Smile, friends. Si cheese.
Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ay ka, very good.
Hindi niya si model.
Ala, na-off na po. Okay naman na. Na-off man din nasa kalima. May nang yun.
Nak, tanong ang pangalan niya, nak. Dada sa tabangan. Ito, magsulo na nito.
Hello. Hello.
Bukat din na ilang simod ba? Oh, maglisod dyan siya. Ay, daro, pigyo. Pigyo taro.
Ay, magunit na din.
Oh, dali ka. Tutong na ito.
Ba?
Oh? Buyon ka na.
Wala, narin. Si Prince Billy Kilo.
Hala, Prince! Dara ka, Prince!
Narin si Prince, oh.
Prince! Turaw nito ako sa sulod.
Bearcat. Bearcat mo.
Kakit!
Wala ka. Bidyo kaya ang wagawin na nangipo, no?
Hello.
Wala, hadlok din na pinyo. Mamahak na ba?
Hello.
Of course.
Kita ka sa world
High
na.
pitch, makay-kay.
Scarlet Macau.
Ay, burong babo.
Hala, paniki!
Bat mo na.
Ano naman na diri? Turo ko.
Boleh na guhitan.
Uy, Prince! Ayaw, dira, Prince!
Balik tayo ng mga Prince. Ano
Ano
yung
ka dira,
itlog?
Prince?
Binimos din
Ganito day, gusto ka diri mag-birthday na diri mo suon.
Matok ko mo, naroon din.
Gusto ko.
Street show?
Paakon, di na mo kamot na. Ayaw na, mapaakan ka na.
Ang nilo po. Tanggal.
Lakil.
Oh my God! Dwayne! Dwayne!
Dun.
Nakasimot man siya.
Dwayne, layo na yun.
Wala na yung sakit.
Hi.
Ano?
Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. We are the Tribo Mindanao Cultural Dance Troupe, a village showcasing Mindanao culture, and later at exotic.
Pangalay. Pangalay is native to the Bajau, sometimes known as the Sea Gypsies. A pangalay is a dance that emphasizes the agility of the upper body, the rhythmic bounce of the shoulder, and simultaneous alternating waving of arms are the basic movements of this dance. A pangalay is commonly performed at weddings and other social gatherings. Once again, pangalay. Dayang-dayang is a Tausug Muslim dance. This dance means princess of the first degree, a title given only to the daughters of the Sultan. Once again, dayang-dayang.
Yun, mahulog sa kila, paubos.
Feel the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao, a park and zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the Parade of Stars. 2005, and we have coordination with our BR, DOT, and BAI. Now as a way of saying thank you for being with us in this Crocodile Living morning, we brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow their own kind and the name of Buceros Mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to the world, belonging to me. You need to shout fly. Okay, practice mo na. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Ayun, okay, one more. Okay, one more naman din ako. Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Ayun, nagmukhang ready ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya Siren, Kuya Richie. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras to bilis lang ito. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. Perfect catch. Okay. Now guys, could you see a hornbill doing that in a while? You are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na na-catch ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasakutin ni ating girl na kalaw. Did you know that they call them a monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine great hornbill, or also known as the kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw folks. Alright, at syempre, ang ating mga poking trainer na si Kuya Richie at Kuya Cyril. Ayan, uwi na sila.
Yay!
Stage left.
Yay!
Now, kapag talk about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or up. Okay ba kuya? Not really folks. That is correct. Our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasentalino lang ito. They may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet now?
Basta wala.
Ang Filipino footwear ko.
Dila naman.
Kadang-kadang lang parang suot. And that is zygodactyl feet at perfect. Two in the front, two in the back. And now we got to grab items. So, one, jogging foot. Left to right. Good boy. Okay, now what? High five. Give me a Gucci. Okay, high five. Okay, one more. Okay, now, Barak. Kiss to Kuya Gucci. Okay, kiss. Okay, kiss to Kuya Gucci. Perfect. Awas sa kabila Kuya Gucci. Sa kabilang piske naman Kuya Gucci. Kiss. Okay, perfect. At syempre Kuya Gucci.
Ang bag ni Mama.
Only yung host, guys. Ang Kuya Gucci, kiss ko na Kuya Gucci. Okay, good. Alipin natin. Si Barak ang isang eco-warrior team who here segregates their trash. Raise your hand. Nagsesegregate na namin ang mga basura. Anyone? Nagsesegregate. Okay, so kuya. Hala! Di ka nagsesegregate? Naku po, ngayong umaga, tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate na ng basura. So, nandiyan ko yung Gucci. Okay, ang basura, we have the non-biodegradable bin. At syempre, may kapatid siya, folks. Wait na. So we have a biodegradable bin at EG. And Barak, gumagana. Whoop! Okay, yung isa lang para. Okay. Ayan eh. Okay, mag-open naman. Okay, yung isa. Okay, perfect. Ang kabila naman Barak, check mo muna. Okay. Kaya nga po, pa. Okay, check mo muna Barak. Okay. Okay, kapag-ready na si Barak Kuya Gucci. Okay, at ka ng free kuya ng mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, yung kinukuha ni Barak, a piece of plastic. Siyempre sa atin talaga plastic. You don't non-biodegradable bin. Good boy! Now, a piece of plastic na naman siyempre sa atin talaga yung plastic. You don't non-biodegradable bin. At dalawa na lang. Okay, a piece of leaf. Dahon siyempre sa atin talaga yung dahon. You don't biodegradable bin. At last na boy, a piece of leaf. Dahon siyempre sa atin talaga ng dahon. Palapakan po natin si Marquez. Galing-galing po ba? Okay. Now, sige nga, quiz time muna. Nagkikinig kayo kanina. Pati sa ara-ara raw namin. Perfect. Okay. Ang lakas naman, ma'am. Okay, now. Okay, ang meaning ng ara-ara raw na is, kung sa alin, ma'am? Genius. Okay, now. Kasi dahil parang perfect. Okay, wala natin Pilipino ko yan, Coach. Ayaw talaga up. Okay, and there we go. Naman sige, folks. That is for our blue and gold taco with Kuya Gucci. Ay, patapakan po natin yung dalawa, folks. That is Apollo, our umbrella crusted taco with a sandy. Kakatuwa, albang meat, older brother in Indonesia. Ayan, siyempre naman libre kakain yan si Kuya Mike sa ating mga kilos. Okay, nakataanong sa pagbigay ng seats. Pero kasi Kuya Mike ang kakain sa seats ng bata. Okay, ayan. Oh, let's open your hand. And okay na Kuya Mike. Okay, once again folks, that is Apollo, our umbrella crusted cup. Kakatuwa, albang meat, older brother in Indonesia. Now guys, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Pangyaku Boy? But first racer, Iman, so sikat. What a good boy, Jumbo. Now, what's your kids out there? Or nakala mo Jumbo? Sikat. What a good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals, nickname of Arctictis pinturong, locally known as pinturong guys. Guys, did you know that their tail is act like a fin, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasigaling lang ng ating mga kamay at ipapakita na ni Teddy ngayong umaga po. There we go. That is prehensile in action. But they're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Okay. Ayan. Now this time, si Kuya Gucci na naman, wala nang biting sa kahoy. Ano ba? Kung saan ang maraming simo. Ano ba ka lang ano? Oh, yung masusong, bibiso. Ayan. Okay, dito ba na ano? Okay, Kuya Richie. Ikaw nga nag-hihintay, Kuya Richie. Okay. Now, folks, the reason that there is bear in your name is because they're capable of... Okay, wait lang folks. Okay, pabababain muna natin. Okay, now once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change the behavior. I am standing up in there to hide yan. Saka alam ko hindi mag-perform si Uno, Kuya. Ikaw talagang aakyat dyan sa kahoy, Kuya. Thank you so much, Uno, for showing your talent here. Now, fun fact pala about Palawan Bear Camp, folks. Kakak pa kayo, makamutan pa kayo, okay, sure pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop on their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Now, omnivores po pala sila guys. Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong umaga. Kaya Richie, ano pinapakain mo kayo, no? Kasi maruya-uya ko yung saging. Okay. Saging daw po, saging. Or bananas, which are fruits. Now, once again, omnivores sila, ha? Now, magtanong ako sa inyo. Anong nasing hayop na kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivores. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Oh, galing. Okay, omnivores. Okay, ito. Anong klaseng hayop na kumakain ng fruits? Piolo. Dagit. Chandoy. Ini babang. Di ba? Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang itin-itin yan. Itin-itin ng ating kababaihan, defense favorite na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Makala yung artista guys. So may nahas na lang folks na. Okay.
Sige, mga bata na pagulong ngunit ang atong mga kailangan mga ginikanan ni tahong manangan na atras. Thank you so much mga kuya for finding dito. Okay, samahan natin siya ma'am. Mag-selfie daw. Ay, gulong free. Okay, samahan ka namin ma'am. Okay, ito. Waki to ma'am ha. Waki. Okay, waki tayo guys. 3, 2, 1, waki. Okay na ma'am? Alright. I will give people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter these facilities, big box, at food sa taas, at syempre, si Ate Chloe palagi na big box ang ating magandang tour guide. Okay, at food sa taas na si... Okay, once again folks, my name is Kuya Jeffrey. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better life sa inyong tanan.
Ay, manlabay. Manlabay dito siya.
Friends mo na sa yung ano, sa emotion. Ako turtle, dakuha, uy. Ay, turo pa dyan ang kasama ko. Sa taas. Sa kahoy. Bro, hindi makita camouflage.